Hi everyone, good morning and welcome back. So in this session of Azure CS services, we are going to discuss about the cost management services. So if at all, if you are new to Azure if you are not sure how to estimate the upfront cost or what would be the cost of consuming the computing services or the network services or the Azure related components. So this is the first place you should look at the cost management tool. So basically what it will do is you can estimate number of components that you have in your infrastructure or currently that is running, and also you can corresponding computing resources that you are planning to utilize in the cloud, that you can build a report. So based on that report, if you keep adding those in this cost management tool, it will give you an option like approximately how much you have to pay. Okay, so for example, quickly I will show you. If you go to azure.microsoft.com and in the pricing tab there is a tab called pricing calculator. Okay, so if you see here, there are a lot of options like what are the virtual machine storage and what are the different networking components and different lot of other things are there. But if you want to estimate how much it is costing for your environment, what you can do is you can go here and you can just choose let's say for example I'll just use only one VM with and choose the region, operating system type and the standard, what kind of tier you want to choose and what kind of instance you want to run, and approximately how many hours you want to use, right? So and just give those options, and here in the compute below section there is a different options like you can choose pay as you go, which means number of resources you use and consume. Based on that you will be billed. In the right hand side, if you see for using one VM in years I'm charged for $20.90. Similarly, if you want to save some amount of money and you have visibility on number of users and computing machines, then you can go for upfront reserved instances like 1 year or 3 year, which will save approximately 32% or 57% discount by paying the upfront cost. Also, when there is two different options with respect to the Windows license related, you can go for the Azure hybrid, which will save a lot of cost, and also if you want license explicitly, that will add additional charges to your billing. Yeah, so coming back, if at all you want to manage the cost of and to your client or your infrastructure itself, then you can this is the place you should come back, and at least it will give you a rough number of hours. This is the same slide I explained in the previous slide. So basically, when you come down to Azure subscriptions, there are different ways how you can use. The first one is, as I mentioned, is a free trial. If you're a new user to Azure, you can register and start using the Azure services for 12 months, and approximately $200 credit that will be given, and you can either whichever is more. If you exhaust those $200, then within 30 days, then you need to pay for the services. But otherwise, the services will be available for 12 months. And second one is pay as you go. Whatever resources you add and consume, that will be charged. Member offers, if at all you are part of any of the membership which Microsoft is providing, then there will be some discounts associated, like Microsoft partner networks or Visual Studio subscribers, or holding the MSDN license, and so on and so forth. Service level agreements, basically this is the parameters which will Microsoft will commit for the cloud services and computing resources or the networking services that are there in the Azure side. Basically, it is nothing but the commitment of time and connectivity which Microsoft will guarantee. If these SLAs are missed, so the Microsoft is committed to give you that much amount of money back to you. So basically they call the service credit. If there is a, for example, let us say you have chosen a SQL database in Azure, and the SLA they are targeting is 99.9% as SLA defined, and by any chance if any regional outage or global outage or any of the data center outage happens and this SLA is breached and it goes beyond the specified range here, then they will credit back that amount which is taken from your account. And also there are a couple of parameters here, like for the premium services, as the charge more, there will be more premium availability that will be there, and with respect to both uptime as well as the features. So the total API request is the total number of requests made by the bot or client premium channels API endpoint in a Microsoft Azure subscription during a billing month. Similarly, they call failed API request or the total number of requests within the total API that returns an error and do not respond within 2 minutes. Similarly, there are few formula they have given, like how they are calculating the monthly uptime percentage is like total API request minus failed API request divided by total API request into 100. So this is the way they have they will be calculating the billing. So that's all in this video. Thank you, and have a good day ahead.